Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Fiverr account permanently. Whether you're stepping away from freelancing or simply want to close your account for personal reasons, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need full access to your account settings to proceed with the deletion. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for managing your Fiverr profile, including security, billing, and account preferences. Now that you're in the Account Settings area, click on Personal Information. This section contains your basic account details and personal data, but it's also where Fiverr has placed the option to deactivate or delete your account entirely. It might seem like an unusual place for this feature, but that's where Fiverr keeps it tucked away. Once you're viewing your personal information, look for the option labeled Deactivate Account. You'll see it listed somewhere on this page. Right beside it, there should be a button or link that says Deactivate. Go ahead and click on that. This action will trigger the deactivation process and prompt Fiverr to ask you a few questions before finalizing your decision. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for why you're deactivating your account. Fiverr wants to understand why users are leaving, so they've set up a drop-down menu with various options. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the reason that best fits your situation. Whether it's because you're no longer freelancing, you're switching platforms, or for any other reason, just pick the one that applies to you. After selecting your reason, the final step is to confirm your decision. Click on the button that says Confirm Deactivation. This will officially begin the process of permanently deleting your Fiverr account. Keep in mind that once you confirm, your account will be deactivated and all your data, gigs, and profile information will be removed from the platform. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Fiverr account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.